Did you know that the Kali Linux is one of the most powerful tools for penetration testing and cybersecurity? Let us discover how to install it easily on VirtualBox. In this video, you will learn how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox step by step, making it accessible for beginner and experienced users alike. Open your favorite browser, search kali.org. It is official website of Kali Linux. I want to install Kali Linux on virtual machine because it is easy. Here we have different virtual machines like VMWare, VirtualBox and Hyper-V. We want to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. It is the latest version of Kali Linux. It is 24.3. Download for VirtualBox. Now open new tab. I recommend to install the latest version of VirtualBox. Type virtualbox.org. Now the latest version of VirtualBox. Here we have a VirtualBox for different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux and extra. I use Windows. I want to download for Windows. If you use other platform, download for your platform. If you have already installed VirtualBox, uninstall VirtualBox. Come to Control Panel, Program and Feature. Open Download. Let us copy this to software. I want to paste on desktop. Kali Linux is zip. You can unzip with 7-zip and WinRAR. Install the latest version of VirtualBox. Just click next, next, next. Please like this video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more useful content and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Finished. Open VirtualBox, Machines, Add. Find the folder you unzip. We unzip this Kali Linux folder. It is on desktop for me. Find this extension. It is VBox. Select. Start. With this method, we don't need to install Kali Linux because Kali Linux is already installed. We just run it. You can full screen it. Username is by default Kali. The password is also Kali. It has so beautiful background. The root terminal is also here.